In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Etsy, whether you're updating it for security purposes or because you have a new email address. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Etsy homepage. You can do this by opening up your favorite web browser and typing in etsy.com. Once you're there, you'll see all sorts of interesting items and categories right in front of you. Take a moment to enjoy the variety, but remember, our main focus right now is to update that email address. Now, after you're settled on the homepage, you'll want to locate your account settings. This is typically found by clicking on your profile icon, usually at the top right corner of the page. When you click this, a drop-down menu should appear, and there you'll see an option labeled Account Settings. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. Once you're in your account settings, there's a bit of scrolling involved. Take a little scroll down the page, and you'll be looking for an option that says Change Email. Don't worry if you don't spot it right away. Just take your time scanning through, and soon enough, you should see it pop out at you. Upon finding Change Email, you'll want to click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your new email address. Just click on the field that says New Email and type in the address that you prefer to use moving forward. Double check to ensure there are no typos, as an incorrect entry will only cause you hassles later on. After entering your new email, it's crucial to verify this change. Look for the option that says Confirm Email. Clicking this will often send a confirmation email to the address you just entered. Keep an eye on your inbox for that email. It's often a straightforward process, but do make sure you're checking the correct email inbox, including the spam or junk folders, just in case it ends up there. You'll also be asked to type in your password. This step is Etsy's way of ensuring that the change is authorized and secure. Type in your current Etsy password where prompted. Remember, if you've recently changed your email for security purposes, make sure your password is robust as well. Lastly, you'll want to click on the Change Email button. This final action will update your email address on Etsy's system, ensuring that all future communications go to the right place. After clicking this, you should receive a notification confirming that your email has successfully been updated. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your email address on Etsy. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on Etsy.